realize you're not found a part of the alphabet community, you know, but you don't live no life. But Jeffrey, you want to know. You me come talk to know and this little walking disease girl when you're Christian.
Masicka. Every minute me hear them talk about Masicka, they pan mute. What them talk about?
What kind of style them they wanna promote in Jamaica?
Yeah, man. Mute, to me, sound like whites. Yeah, man.
I say people, Chrissy, she just not nothing about her. I say, me hear the girl say, the white to her bottom, with the tampon in her wool and she up on her red. Me I say, no man, this is if I go back to Jamaica.
And another thing when me have with Masicka. Yo, Masicka Badman song them no believable, brother.
The man saying, get him our seat and stand it up.
Because I've had scenarios where girls don't fuck me because I don't eat pussy.
A girl never eat your ass?
They say, we don't want to go there, so please.
Just answer.
President dead. Money instead. She and I ring them.
From ever since I fall in the industry, Killa call out my name. You saw me and say, foot style man. I not pay none of them, no mind. You saw me and say, me just...
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boy Nando and I Bill with another episode, another hot and trending topic. So in the media, we see where some things are circulate with Bounty Killa. He posted up Alkaline Son's concert. You know Alkaline have a concert on Memorial Day. And we see where he posts a caption under the post, under the picture. And it's like him give the youth a highlight, but at the same time I shade the youth and a style him and a style. So the people must say, I bet Bounty Killa never really post up the youth concert, but you know him must say unity, but at the same time I don't know who push him for really post up the youth concert. And I say, yo, him give youth a forward. Well, the youth concert sell off already. Well, not film show, but a Sons, but him a represent Sons. So we have that topic there for share with you guys, and we have also another topic where we see a gentleman run out on Masicka after Masicka drop him song Mute, and him a say, yo, him not Masicka music, Badman music, them not believable because Masicka nah clash nobody and him for clash Alkaline, him nah clash him. And also he was saying that Masicka mute sounded like white. I guess I was thinking the same thing. I guess I wasn't the one thinking the same thing. So the man say Masicka music, white sound like the same song. And also we have another topic where we see Frais run out upon him toxic talk, and boy it look like some Batty business promotion him depend because we see where even Nico Fire run out and I burn him out and I say, yo, this will not highlight in a space of Jamaica. I can't believe that this will not really highlight to say, yo, the youths them where I grew up, the young ones them for see all of them things I want to promote. So we see where a social media influencer also have a YouTube account. She go by the name Chrissy, and she's on Frais podcast, and she has said some things. And boy, the people them a drag her in her media, and well, she not really give a damn because for her shame tree come like it cut down. But she has said some things for one podcast, pan Frais Toxic Talk podcast, and a lot of people have a lot to say about it. So me have some clippings more and play with what she has said, and also with the other stuff that more and break out too. You know? So make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit that post notification bell. You know our Vibes and Insight with Nando. Stay tuned. Don't move a muscle. A mad thing. So the first topic we want to talk about is the Bounty Killa and the Alkaline saga going on. And, you know, Killa, I give Alkaline some form of highlight, or he must say some form of unity, but at the same time, you know, he might give the youth a backhanded respect. Because, you know, this ongoing thing between Alkaline and Bounty Killa, it's a long time thing, and I doubt it will ever. I don't know, as him say in a longer interview where he stated that no care what Alkaline want to do, he will never be a part of his family as in his musical family with the cartel, the popcorn, and you know the Mavard and the whole of them. So in this caption, he stated that, watch this now, a unity we say straight across the board. So all when we don't like some people, you know me not like a bone in a such style, but because we love dancehall, we still are going to encourage the masses to do the right thing, go support and keep the movement and keep the momentum going. Yo! So he stated that in a caption, and me have a play one previous interview when him and Winford did the on stage, and he must say Alkaline will never be a part of his family. But when we want him to know, say, yo, Bounty Killa, if you're going to give the youth a highlight or give the youth some form of unity, respect, do it straight. Don't do it lean and try to shade the youth and the style. Things like this, bro, And that's why things can't get better in our culture. And that's why dancehall would have never be united. And that's why we always state it, say, yo, dancehall united, but it's just Alkaline that it's not a part of their unity. Because them not rate Alkaline. And I know just Bounty Killa alone not rate Alkaline. A lot of artists not rate Alkaline and producers also. So, me going to play a clippings with Bounty Killa on stage, a talking mind. And me going to also play a clippings with Alkaline. For sure, you say, yo, this thing a brew from afar a time. Because Alkaline stated that when him just come in our business, Bounty Killa and Footer Hype disrespect him, style him with all things, everything. So check this out, people.
I'm from then, no,
But come to
and
think of it,
forever.
Killa, there's nobody who is really hot in dancehall who's not part of your bloodline, so to speak.
I don't even know what people call hot. All right.
Mavado, Puppy, not to mention the world boss. But Alkaline now, how is he figured in all of that? Because some say he took his style and whatever from Carter. But do you see him as part of your family, your bloodline?
No,
Based on the fact that
he's a bloodline. He's stealing Cartel style. It still doesn't make him a part of our family.
Okay.
But everybody have influence in music.
Yeah.
Just like when I came out, I have influence of Shabba and Butcher, and you could hear it in my music. But it never really made me a thief them style. It was just they are the dominant one in my days coming up, and that's what you're listening to. And you never intend to pattern it, but that's what playing and that's what giving you the vibe.
Okay.
So emulation gonna be there. Or imitation, anything you want to call it, but some people don't want to admit that I heard music and like it, then make it seem like I dream and just come up with music, me alone.
The other day I was saying something.
So your viewers and subscribers, that one clip with Bounty Killa say Alkaline would never be a part of his family, his dancehall family. Well, what them need to understand, or what Bounty Killa need to understand is that Alkaline no want be a part of Funo family, bro. The family there where uno have a crab in a barrel family, a well done family. The youth never come in a dancehall to be a part of uno family. You hear a man say me, the man himself, the man a do him thing himself. Him no need no referral, him no need no reference, none of that from uno. It's like them not understand when the man say, ring uno mama gravity now make you fall, cause uno did want the youth for park up on the gate or park up on the yard and wait for for fly up the gate. But what? The youth kick down barriers and kick off the gate and make new youths can come run the ground, come run the place. So now, Bounty Killa in a 2025, I try to give the youth ratings about unity, but at the same time, I talk about him and such child and a friend. I remember he went on a stage perform, he had a stage show, where him come on the stage and I big up some people, but at the same time, I say, big up such child. We know your respect. Our Alkaline no need the respect, and his fans also don't need the respect. I feel like this man just want a look at highlight in the media because they know how belligerent the vendetta fans them are and the way them are going to diss him. But a lot of people say, yo, I bet I'm never really give the youth no highlight. I bet I'm never try to highlight the youth because they are this the youth at the same time. You know how people go to work already. Like Bounty Killa, one of them, I remember say him did post up being him and things. So I guess him a follow, him a start a look a pattern where him a post up the artist them and so forth. But he's not into them. So they are hypocrites of dancehall, and that's why Alkaline really want them amongst them are there on them. Like when you hear Alkaline say, dirty bad mind, man, I burn them out. Dirty bad mind can't get out the youth, so at that type problem. So I'm gonna play a clippings with Alkaline stated why is him this Bounty Killa and Footer Hype in a song called Get Any Girl. So listen to the song and also listen why Alkaline say him this them.
Me girlfriend know how the thing go, and she have to bill her else she will get her right. No girl can clown man dog off, and me no killer, not Batty man Footer Hype.
I see everybody getting heated and hot over it, saying, oh, I'm dissing people, and me never hear everybody talk about how them are diss me. From ever since my fall in the industry, Killa call out my name. You saw me and say, Footer style man. Me not pay none of them, not mine. You saw me and say, me just focus on my music. So why when I step on them, everybody have a problem. Yeah, some people just feel like it is okay for elders to disrespect the youths, but when the youths retaliate, it's a problem. Me not play that game there. You saw me and say, from your diss me, I got this you. Me not cater who you be or where you fall from. From your diss me, you go get this. I have a system of my own, and that's all I gotta say in regard.
So yeah, my people, that's Alkaline defending himself back then why him say him this Bounty Killa and Footer Hype in a song and a call Get Any Girl. And we don't know where we reach here in 2025, where we say Bounty Killer still a shade the youth, still a try for this the youth at the same time. Don't try to give somebody respect or highlight somebody and shade them at the same time. We not respect them thing there. We not give in to them thing there. So for see what Bounty Killer do, I say, oh, him and such child and a friend and way and blah. It don't make no sense. So people, let me know what you think about the whole situation with Bounty Killer. I disrespect Alkaline and the style, you know? And we don't really work with the fake unity. So the fake unity where them a push, we not work with that. Better to keep on the unity one way over the side. Because we're not a part of UNO Foundation. We're not a part of UNO family, as stated in a many of the interviews saying that Alkaline a part of UNO bloodline. And Alkaline don't want to be a part of it. So people, let me know what you think about that. So on the other side of the topic, people. So viewers and subscribers, Jaii run out with his Toxic Talk podcast, and a lot of things are going in the Toxic Talk podcast that him premiere or him put out. And a lot of people in the media talk about it, saying that Jaii promote some Batty business and we see Nico Fire run out and I diss him. Well, me go say, I not really see eye to eye with Nico Fire, but at the same time, I can respect him for the fact that him run out and burn out the things and way. Jaii promote on him podcast because he's on his podcast with this girl called Chrissy. She's some influencer and she also has a YouTube channel. So I would say them a promote themselves for go viral or get some highlights, because some of the things them a promote in this year previous podcast, boy, it's not good for the culture, the Jamaican culture. You know, most of the youths, them small-minded in a sense. So when them promote them things here in the culture, the youths, them might feel like say it's the right thing or it's the right way to go. So we see Nico Fire run out, I burn it out, and me I go play the video. And me I go play some part of the clippings of the podcast with some of the things them where Jaii and this female really promote in a out there in the public. Why it's just distasteful, and the things them understand say I feed them life and them I promote feed them life and with them life, but at the same time, people, it's not good for the culture, and this is just so disrespectful to Jamaica culture. Them are opening up the doors for so much nastiness, and them are set the precedent of people feeling as if I saw the youths them nowadays for live and are uphold with certain slackness. So people watch the clippings here, and also me I go drop the Nico Fire clippings of disrespect Jaii.
The man saying, get him our seat and stand it up.
I've had scenarios where girls don't fuck me because I don't eat pussy.
A girl never eat your ass?
They say, we don't want to go there, so please.
Just answer.
Please. Please.
That's all right, yes.
It sounds like I'm not answering.
That's all right,
I'm not going to answer what you want me to answer, but I'm not comfortable with that question. No, John, you know what I'm saying? I know you're
so trouble. You said you turn back where you...
No. Listen. Yo. February what?
24th.
29th, yo, you John. No, what did I say? But ask me? No. All right, it never... Here we go. Don't come move on, yeah. That new year, yeah, man.
You get it eat. That's how it go.
No, I'm not say me get it eat. It's just...
You get it licked?
You know, say, me feel like I that do.
So you set?
I never said no, I stand up.
You stand up?
Yeah. So you eat ass?
No, you're mad. Me not reach them level there.
But you look like you go there. You look like you say I gotta try everything once, you know.
That's how I want the phone.
Boy, yeah, I'm not gonna lie still, I did have an encounter one time where like something like that, and but they have questions after. They have real questions like, yo, do you even want to be with me? Like, you just seem so liberated doing what you were doing, like, you know?
Yeah, for understanding, nobody now gonna eat it like a girl.
But I don't eat at all, so, you know.
I've been sleeping with girls since high school, you know. My first time was when I was in like grade 7 in the bathroom at school.
Grade 7?
Grade 7. Well, remember, I'm telling you from before that, I do things with my cousin. We do polypa things. That wrong?
I realize you're not found a part of the alphabet community, you know, but you don't live no life. But Jaii, you want to know. You me come talk to know, and this little walking disease girl named Chrissy. what kind of style them they wanna promote in Jamaica? What we don't want to promote? I'm gonna do this as calm as possible. We on a purpose in our earth. This girl will make man push her wood in a fear bottom. She name Batty. She the worst of things. Young lady, you know no shame, you know no dignity about you. Yo, I'm confused. I don't even know what to say. It's like me can't even disrespect her. Me can't even diss her because she already diss herself already. And the boy they were named Jaii. Brother, me you make a talk say if a man sex a woman Batty, him a not gay. Brother, all you reach a point where man accept say Batty can sex. I don't sound no straight. Me not understand all our meds, you know. But I one thing me I say, and I tell the youths them, every youth will watch this. Don't fall for them little dirty life. Don't fall for them little dirty life for them a live. Can you see that the girl there? Me can't say nothing for disrespect her because she don't disrespect herself already. So me can't come on the internet come say nothing for disrespect her. Because she done shame herself and let down herself already. And the worst part to all her friend them, she let down. She never have no loyalty to her friend them. Here the girl say all her friend them have 2 man. That for sure you say she never respect her one. Her friend them she's called friend. Yo, me say, Jeffrey, we know you're a Batty boy still. Me know you're a Batty boy. You just not confirm it, but me know you're a Batty boy. For you say that, no straight man, none of made them way there. For you say that, is a woman Batty. Him that sex. So him not. When sin sex in a Batty, dodo. On a shit up man. On a highlight some like a dark shit people. And you have some decent, you know much good decent woman in Jamaica. That's why I not advise the youth them nowadays about no gallus thing. You them yourself when you find a good woman, just humble yourself with her. Don't follow this gallus thing. You're not gonna work out in a society like this. The girl them are too much drunk on their road. We not no limits on them body and them do all kind of things. And them mentally sick. All of them you see on the internet will come talk them way. Give them couple years and check back them. Just give them couple years and check back them. And them are the carriers for disease.
So yeah, viewers and subscribers, as me saying, them people are just a look a few weeks highlighting a few weeks promotion because you know Jaii having platform and it's YouTube and it's to bring up the algorithm and bring up the views, you know, cause at one point you know Jaii them that say him fall off and him not really get the views and the attention to him channel like one time. So he dropped this podcast called Toxic Talk with this Crasmite who goes by the name Chrissy, where cause a lot of things in the media. And it seems to me like they're setting a precedent for the youths of the Jamaica society or the youths of tomorrow to see it fit like this is something to do or it is something to live in and you know, I don't know what to say about this thing because like my own child now come see all them things I promote on the media. It don't look good. It can't look good to the society, but as I say, people, it's just a few look at attention. Boy, they weigh up the things people have to do to get attention. It's just crazy nowadays. People do so much weird things to get attention. Me understand, say the girl are living her truth and it's her life and she do what she want to do. But at the same time, people, it is just crazy. It is just crazy and we need more people to come out and burn them out for them things because everybody most of them people I go against with the whole Sodom and Gomorrah thing go on in a Jamaica. Everybody want on this gay, everybody want on this the sodomite. And you know, it's just what go on right now. It'll take over the whole globe. But you can't even talk against it because, you know, the guidelines and the thing how it go already, you can't judge. And it's their own life. And boy, it's just crazy how people. But let me know what you think about this with Nico Fire. But also me have another girl in another video I go play and I go tell you and she go tell you for her point of view in whatever she say where Chrissy are going with Panamida. So listen to these people.
Mr. People, Chrissy she just not nothing about her. Mr. me hear the girl say the way it to her bottom with the tampon in her hole and she up on her red. Me I say no man, this is for go back to Jamaica. Nobody couldn't beat that out of me. When you're a clown with piece of two before you couldn't get that out of me. None at all. Chrissy me kill little and disgusted and now boy yes a galley. I mean, no, you better agree good enough. Me don't know make a sick stomach so. No man, and then girl you can't even shame them girl because them girl talk them business. So she get excited talking her story. If you don't realize. So when I watch Toxic Talk, go over there go watch it. Yeah. Because I tell you say moms I talk some bag of things. Moms she good at eating front. Moms she love that one in her mouth and one in her old. Mom's festive. Then I give me a Jeffrey ask about the relationship now. You say 90 days. So it's a short stay visa. Then you say you're ready for moving and settle down at my one. Chris, you sure? Because me no think say in my one. Me no think so you're ready for settle yet, mama. Me no think so. Boy, Chris, if you look up pum busy at one time, me I try if you keep track. And me last count. Me say you take man more board take nail. And more care take yourself. No man, Chris, I feel well still. Me nah bash you, girl. Me nah bash you. Certain things where you thought me have to go carry to your lad, but the lad that you want you live in an day. No man, you're busy, man. You're busy and you're active. Me say you're active. No man, me can't keep up with you. You don't get tired, that's all I want. You don't get tired. I told him one, you don't get tired. And you sure you're ready for settle down with that man you know? Because he must watch this. I want to know them look something, Chris. So you have to come up and answer me. Me now bash as well, me say I feel look life. We don't know nothing about you. Jesus, me gone people bye.
I want to tell you, say, people, you see, most times, the pretty girl, them a mix up in the dirty lifestyle, the nasty lifestyle, because as this girl is stated, come I even want to play some of the clippings from my platform because I don't want to nasty up my platform, but as the lady is stating that, the girl I say, the guy or somebody who a play up in her background, while she has see her menstrual. So boy, it is just crazy. And of them things them a put out in the public on the media for make it seems like say, yo, this is the way of livity. And this is the way how you should live. Oh no, I gonna make the youth them where mental state a grow, a build, them mindset a grow, and I go grow in a them environment with them thing out wanna put out in the public. As me say people are the pretty girl them most of the time I do. I wobble. The pretty girl them a wobble in a ranked situation. People. And if you don't want hear all I think them will go on, you go tune it, you go watch it, If you don't want, you no need for watch it. But take it from me, bro. I know something you need for really go take it. I not even watch a full vlog, I just watch a few of it and listen to a few little snippets. But I don't really want to take in the full vlog over there because it is just crazy. That side of the world, and on my side of the world. And I know see a lot of people out there and I feel them side of the world. That. So take it from me, what I say. But another guy come out with that same thing, I talk about the same issue again. So listen what I say, people.
Yo, I don't know what the worst thing about the girl who come on the Jaii interview. Man still a go want her. Can you say man I eat that in a man fool, And you say man don't think with this. Man I go still want her. Our DM good a full of man right now. Cause whole heap of thing what she say, man get turned on. You have some man get turned on by that. But here, me I talk to the young youth them who are coming at the gallus thing now. This supposed to teach you now listen to you. You say when a girl them pretty and look good and drive sitting nice and own business and all them sitting there. 3/4 of the time, I don't know body them, my youth. I don't know body them. Don't fall for them pretty face, yeah. And them nice smile, yeah. You hear me I tell you? I don't know body them, my dog. Take on the time, man. Take on the time and get to know some of them girl, man. You see me? But me did stay like that. Love fall for pretty face and me realize, no, sir. Them are the worst kind of girl, man.
Just like that, as me telling the people, you see pretty girls, the youths, them out the way I run on the pretty girl, them where I drive the flashy cars, them. Just like that, as me say, you have to be careful of them because enough of them are mix up in the things them with them, enough mix up in enough of them are wobble, so you have to just be careful. Don't run down because some of the time, all you yourself as man, you will go put your body on the counter. So take it as me say, people, it's just crazy how life is and how people are. And, I'm not really saying I judge all like pretty girls, but a lot of them, I just saw them stay. It's just crazy. You have to just comfortable and contented with the regular girl you have. She's not too pretty, but she's beautiful in your eyes. But as I say, people, Jaja, it's crazy.
Yo, so my G, I tell me, say, I'm going to subscribe from Jaii them program because he wake up, see Jaii and normalize man touching woman back door. You know what I mean? And I try to make it look like it okay if a man will touch a man back door. As long as it's not a man back door you touch, he's not a part of the group. But if a woman back door you touch, technically what me get is a straight man. But if a man back door, a man will touch your back door, you're a part of the group. So the dog saying wake up to that and him can't believe what me I say my father I say go. And then this girl will come on the program and see if a man a cuss her, bro. Let me tell you this. don't cause sorry, I thought this all the while. And I feel glad for them girl, because them girl they come make know the type of girl them we have out there to deal with. You see me? I plenty more females out there like she, but I just told she brave enough to come chat. And she a chase clothes, so you know where the badness go. And these people ain't nowadays, master, the new drugs, them do anything for clothes. You see me? I say, but me appreciate her. You see me? Because she a come show up some people. And again, if I not lie, she a tell to her, as me say them a chase clothes. But anyway, but she a come show up some people and she a make man know the type of lifestyle where them girl out here live, bro. So as me I said to me, G, sometimes ignorance never work, bro. Cause if you meet a girl like this, we don't up to all of them shit, you go use ignorance to all of them things. You're not gonna know. Honestly, me not really want to get mixed up with no girl where people are played for them rearing. You see me? So sometimes we have to just stay calm and collective and learn them thing about them girl. And the next thing to stop rushing to things with them girl. No quick date and get no heads and kiss and where. If you sit down and learn them girl before. So right now we need to start go back to dating in the realest way. Especially if you're single and what you try to find a girl. We need to start date them girl 5, 6, 7 date before we take them girl serious and learn them, bro. Cause unless you know what them into and you're open to whatever, then cool. But if you're straight, bro, right now, you have to take on the time. You see me? Take on the time and know them girl.
Yeah, man, people. So share on the thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think about the way the gentleman I say and where the point of view where a lot of other people are sharing at the vlog. And as I'm saying, people, clout is the new drug now, and the things that some people have to do to get clout and get attention, it is just crazy. But I know there's a lot of people out there with more and a lot of people out there with dignity will stand for where them stand for. So them thing it just rub them wrong, and at the same time we not really mixing at them side of the world, because you know the world big, but you have some people living a certain way, a certain lifestyle in the world. So them over there, so we over here, so we not in everybody. I just that I feel them think that. But on the other side of the topic though, we have the Masicka saga going on with the Masicka song Mute, and some people are share them thoughts and them point of view upon the song, and also stating that Masicka Badman song, them not believable anymore. So listen to the clippings of people.
Top of the morning, every day above ground is a blessing. So chat. So I see Masicka go so book and drop him long awaiting song where everybody await upon. See? Yeah, him drop the long awaiting song where everybody await upon, we call Mute. I'm not going to tell you a lie now. Masicka a bad artist. Bad artist. See? But I have to tell the truth. Mute to me sound like whites. Yeah, man. Mute to me sound like whites. Yeah, man. And another thing what me have with Masicka. Yo, Masicka Badman song them no believable, brother. Masicka Badman song them no believable, none at all. Like me say now, the song when him drop when he Mute, a good song, not a bad song, but a good song, good song. But as me tell you, say Masicka Badman song them no believable, no sir. Masicka Badman song them no believable, none at all. Cause people. Now I tell you, say, the song sound like whites. See? Yeah, man. Masicka Mute sound like whites. Yeah. And I don't know. I don't know, Virgin. Yo, Masicka, I don't know. I don't feel it, Masicka. I don't feel it. Because Masicka sing them bad boy song, see? And him afraid to clash Alkaline. And I them thing them I don't like, you know, Virgin. I don't feel Masicka Badman song them, Virgin. Yo, but telling you before now, you see Vibes Cartel, you see Vibes Cartel going a film Badman song them, you envision the song them, you feel it. Yo, a few artists alone can sing a Badman song, and me I feel it. Vibes Cartel #1. Vibes Cartel top the list. Yeah, man. Squash second. Yeah, man. Squash second the list. Yeah, man. Tommy Lee can sing a Badman song and you feel it. You see what I say? Who else? Skank can sing a bad boy song and you can envision it, you feel it. Yo, me not tell a lie, Virgin. Masicka, I don't want to say him sound alike, because if that a work for you, it a work for you. So if everyone I'm song them sound the same, And it a work for him, it a work for him. So I don't want to say that. But I don't know, Bridget. Mute, I want alright song. And I want bad song. I want okay song. But to me, it sound like whites. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, my people, I saw the gentleman attacking him. I say, yo, Masicka song white. So, hear more white. Masicka mute song sound like white, you know, and I don't know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you think the same way as how the gentleman I said. Because for me, definitely, that was the same way how I was feeling when I first listened to the song. It was sounding like White's Part 2 or White's 2.0. But at the same time, the song is an okay song. I would definitely say White's better than this song. But let me know what you think in the comment section. And you know, again, a Vibes and Inside with another banging topic, another banging episode. You know it go already, man. Wow, good. Peace. I'm out.